Hi everyone, my name is Lucas Hart. Today we're doing a challenge kasi gagawin din na video. Tapos I'll taste all of these drinks and all of this one chips.
For your
For my
science project.
science project.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Okay, Kuya Lucas, what is on the left side, yung color purple? What is that?
It's blueberry mixed strawberry juice with grapes.
Okay, how about the one in the second one?
Coffee.
And then the third one is?
Lemon juice.
And the last one is?
Potato chips.
Alright, so you're gonna tell us how do they taste? Tama?
Yes.
Alright, which one do you wanna begin with? The coffee? Alright. Okay, is this your first time drinking coffee?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. How does it taste?
Walang lasa.
Walang lasa. I made it blunt kasi anak eh. But how does it taste? How do you think coffee tastes? Is it sweet, sour, bitter, or salty?
Bitter.
Bitter? Akala ko ba walang lasa? Okay, which one do you wanna taste next? Okay, go. Which one? You name it.
Blueberry mixed strawberry and lemon. And a little lemon and blueberry. Nagkakayo ko dito.
Sige, go. Taste it. Okay, how does it taste?
Yummy.
Yummy? Is it sweet, salty, bitter, sour?
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay. And which one? Which is next?
Lemon.
Okay, let's see. You tell me if it's sweet or sour, bitter, or salty. Okay?
A little sour.
A little sour. Okay. And the last one is?
Chips.
Okay. How do you think it will taste?
A little.
Try. How does it taste?
Yummy yun.
Yummy?
Konti spicy.
Spicy?
Konti.
Konti. How about salty? Is it salty?
Yes.
It's salty too?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, if you're gonna rate the things that you tasted today, which one do you like the best? The three. How about coffee? How do you like it? You don't like it?
Yes.
Alright. I say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And this is for what again? For your science?
Science activity.
Activity. Okay. See you next
See you
time.
next time.